How much does decking cost?
Installing decking is a great way to add versatility to your garden space. And when it comes to decking costs, there are a few things to keep in mind. The cost of the decking, usually measured by the square metre, and the cost of labour for the decking installation. To get an accurate quote for your planned decking job, you can post your job for free today on mybuilder.com and get in touch with experienced decking installers near you. In this video, we'll look at how decking costs are broken down generally. The price of decking depends on the choice of material you want to use. The two main options are traditional timber decking and modern composite materials, a timber alternative made of plastic and wood fibres. Timber decking is fairly hard-wearing and can last for years with regular upkeep. It's popular for its natural finish. Composite decking is even more hard-wearing, can be stain and scratch-resistant, and can be produced in a variety of colours and finishes. The different qualities of material mean different prices. Basic pine decking can be found for around £15 per square metre. Higher-end hardwoods can come in at around £80 per square metre. Composites tend to be more expensive, costing around £120 per square metre. For a deck measuring 3 metres by 5 metres, that means the material for a pine deck would cost £225, hardwood would be £1,200, and composite would be £1,800. You'll also need to take into account the cost of the supporting structure that makes the frame for your decking to sit on. Generally, this will come in at around the same price as basic pine boarding, around £15 per square metre, so you'll need to add that to the total material price. When it comes to installation, you'll find that landscapers, carpenters and decking specialists can all install decking. The day rate for these trades is likely to be around £150 to £200, with this likely to be higher in London than the South East. Fitting decking, including preparing the ground, can take around 3 days depending on the size of the team, meaning additional installation costs of around £600 on top of the materials. Decks in a complicated shape will take longer to install and be more expensive as a result. For a full, detailed breakdown of decking costs, read our full guide on mybuilder.com.